Example number 4. This example is surface area of a revolution using trigonometric function. Example number 4. Find the area of the surface obtained by rotating the curve y is equals to 3 sine 2x, the interval of x from 0 to pi over 2, and rotating about x-axis. Since we're using the y is equals to f of x function and it is rotating about x-axis, so we're going to use the formula surface area is equal to interval from a to b of 2 pi times f of x times square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared dx. So first, we need to find the dy dx, or the derivatives of a function. This one, the derivative of this one. So dy is equal to dx is equal to 6 cos 2x, and the square of derivatives is equal to 6 cos 2x squared. Then using the formula to solve trigonometric function of surface area of our revolution, so integral of square root of u squared plus e squared du. So remember this one, integral of square root of u squared plus e squared du is equal to 1/2 times u square root of u squared plus a squared times ln absolute value of u plus square root of u squared plus a squared plus c. So SA, or surface area, is equal to integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 2 pi times the value of f of x. The value of f of x is equal to 3 sine 2x times the square root of 6 cos 2x squared plus 1 squared, since we're using u and a squared substitution. U squared and e squared substitution. This is our u, this is our a. SA is equals to 6 pi. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Copy the pi is equal to 6 pi times the integral of 0 from 0 to pi over 2 of sine, mabili ng sine, times the square root of 6 cos 2x squared plus 1 squared dx. So our u is, as I said earlier, our u is 6 cos 2x. This one. Our du is equal to negative 12 sine 2x, the derivative of u. This one. Derivative of this one. The derivative of this one is this one. And our dx, or negative 1/2, negative 1 over 12 du is equal to sine 2x dx, or our value of sine 2x dx is equal to negative 1 over 12 du. This one, sine 2x and dx. This is our graph of the function, a trigonometric function y is equal to 3 sine 2x, and the interval of from 0 to pi over 2, which is the b, and rotating about x-axis. So the continuation, u is equals to 6 cos 2x, substituted or evaluated to the value of x, which is 0 and pi over 2, to get the new set of interval. So u is equals to 6 cos 2 times the value of x, to pi over 2 is equal to negative 6. Then 6 cos 2 times 0 is equal to 6. So our new interval is equal to surface area is equal to 6 pi integration from 6 to negative 6 sine 2x times square root of 6 cos 2x squared plus 1 squared, which is our u and a, dx. So is equal to, surface area is equal to 6 pi integration from 6 to negative 6. Our value of sine 2x dx is equal to this one, negative 1 half du. Then replace this value into u and a. Then we get surface area is equal to 6 pi integration from 6 to negative 6 of square root of u squared, this one, and a squared, this one, times negative 1 over 12 du. Then multiply this one, this negative 1 over 12 to 6 pi, we get negative 1 half pi integration from 6 to negative 6 times of u, square root of u squared plus a squared du. Then we get 1 half, negative 1 half pi times 1 half. So our formula that we use, 1 half times u, since we get this one. Remember the formula? So we substitute this formula, this value into this formula. This one. So we get negative 1 half pi times 1 half times u square root of u squared plus a squared times ln absolute value of u plus square root of u squared plus a squared integration from 6 to negative 6. So negative 1 half pi times 1 half is equals to negative 1/4 times negative 6, the value of u is negative 6, the upper limit, negative 6 times 36. So the upper limit of u, 36 squared, is equal to 36 times a, our a is 1, then plus a squared is equal to 1 times ln absolute value of u is equals to negative 6. Ln absolute value of u is negative 6 plus u squared, which is negative 6 times negative 6 equals to 36, and our a squared is 1, minus 6 our lower values or lower interval, 6, which is our u, times the square root of 36, the u squared, 6 times 6, 36, plus 1, our a squared plus 1 times ln absolute value of u, which is 6, plus square root of u squared is equal to 36 plus a squared, which is 1. So negative 1/4 pi is multiplied by negative 6 square root of 37, because 36 plus 1 is equal to 37, plus ln absolute value of 6 plus square root of 37 minus 6 square root of 37, this one, and plus ln 6, ln absolute value of 6 plus square root of 37 is equal to negative 1/4 pi times negative 38.98836. This one, the value of this one. And minus the value of this one. So, negative 38.98836 minus 38.98836. So, the same value. So, negative 1/4 pi, since it is the same negative, so negative, so we add this one and copy the negative sign. So, negative 1/4 pi times negative 77.97672, because negative 38.98836 minus 38.98836 is equal to negative 77.97672. So, multiply to get the surface area. So, surface area is equal to 61.2428 square units. This is our surface area of the revolution using trigonometric function.